Listen, I'm gonna tell you something that's gonna make a lot of people uncomfortable, but it needs to be said. Working hard in a job is a scam, and I don't mean you shouldn't have a work ethic. You should. I don't mean you should be lazy. I mean that pouring your blood, sweat, and tears into a 9 to 5 is one of the biggest traps you can fall into. And the worst part? Society has convinced you that it's noble, that being a hard worker at your job makes you a good person, that climbing the corporate ladder is success. It's not. It's a trap designed to keep you busy, broke, and building someone else's dream while your own dies. My name's Fred, and before I started the service and consulting business that made me thousands of dollars per day, I only had like $400 in the bank. I had done an internship after internship in different companies, and I always fucking hated it. It was always the same story. The people there were going through the motions every day like zombies. I remember one guy in particular. His story really touched me because he was broke as hell, working hard, and he would spend 2 hours back and forth commuting every single day. He would take the bus for 4 hours a day just to get to a job he hated. Nobody was happy. Everyone was just trapped in a system, trading their time and their souls for a paycheck that barely covered their bills. And imagine taking the bus for 4 hours a day on top. Now, I'm fully aware that not everybody can be an entrepreneur. 99% of people just don't have it in them, because it requires taking a lot of risks, doing things that scare the shit out of you, and getting rejected thousands of times. Literally, most people can't handle that level of discomfort and uncertainty. And that's okay. And honestly, the world wouldn't function if everybody were rich or an entrepreneur. We need nurses, plumbers, farmers, all of those essential roles that keep society running. There's nothing wrong with having a normal job if that's what you choose. But if you're watching this video, you're probably not part of that 99%. You're probably someone who's willing to do what most people won't so you can live how most people can't. And that is who this message is for. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's the first thing you need to understand, and this is the foundation of why jobs are a scam. You are trading your most valuable asset, which is your time, for the least valuable return. Think about it. You only have 24 hours a day. We all do. You can't work 100 hours a day. You are physically limited by time. And because of that, your income has a hard ceiling based on your hours. You get paid per hour of your time. You work 40 hours a week, you get paid for 40 hours. You work 60 hours, you get paid for 60. But you can't scale past that. So how come some people are billionaires? Did they work 1 billion hours? You can't clone yourself. You can't magically create more hours in the day. Meanwhile, business owners, millionaires, billionaires, they leverage systems and people to multiply their output. They're not limited by their own time because they've built something, a system that works without them being there every second. They hire people, they create systems, they use technology, AI, and because of that, their income potential is unlimited. And here's the thing, the hardest working people at jobs are often the most broke. I see it all the time. People who work 2 jobs, who do overtime every week, who barely see their families because they're grinding so hard and they're still struggling to pay rent. They're living paycheck to paycheck. It's fucking scary. What happens if you get laid off? Meanwhile, someone who works 20 hours a week, 10 hours a week on their own business is making 10 times, 100 times what they make. So if hard work was really the answer, the hardest working people would be the richest. But they're not, because hard work in the wrong vehicle just gets you nowhere faster. Now this brings me to my next point, and this one really hits you hard when you think about it. You are building someone else's dream, not yours. Every single hour you work at your job makes your boss richer. Your best ideas, your energy, your creativity, it all goes to their equity. You come up with a brilliant solution that saves the company $100,000, they get that money. You stay late to finish a project that lands a huge client, they get that client. You pour your heart into your work, they build generational wealth off your back. And what do you get? A paycheck that barely covers rent. Maybe a pizza party if you're lucky. Maybe an Employee of the Month plaque that means absolutely nothing. You are trading the best years of your life, your energy, your potential, so someone else can retire rich while you're still hoping Social Security doesn't run out before you die. And when you finally retire, after 40 years of service, after giving them everything you had, they keep the business you helped them build. They keep the value you helped create. You get a small pension if you're lucky, or more likely nothing at all. You walk away with nothing to show for decades of hard work except maybe a smile and a handshake. Does that sound like a good deal to you? Because it doesn't to me. The third thing you need to understand is that job security is an illusion in 2026, and people are still walking around acting like having a job means they're safe. Companies lay off thousands of people overnight. It doesn't matter how hard you worked, doesn't matter how loyal you were, doesn't matter if you gave them 15 years of your life. When they need to cut costs, you're gone. And we're seeing this happen more than ever. In 2023 alone, over 260,000 tech workers were laid off in the United States, just in tech. That's not counting all the other industries. In 2024, major companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft laid off tens of thousands more. These are supposed to be the stable companies, the dream jobs everybody wanted, and they're cutting people like it's nothing. And it's only going to get worse with AI replacing jobs faster than ever. AI is only going to get more advanced, more sophisticated as time goes on. Customer service, automated. Data entry, automated. Accounting, pretty much replaced now. Even creative work like writing and design is being replaced by AI tools. The jobs that used to be considered stable aren't stable anymore. That's outdated thinking from your parents' generation. The only real security is owning your own income source. When you have your own business, when you are an investor, when you control your own revenue, nobody can fire you, nobody can lay you off, nobody can decide you're not valuable anymore. You are in control. That is real security. Now, this next thing is really important, so pay attention. You're capped by arbitrary salary bands, not your actual value. You could generate $500,000 in value for the company and they will pay you $60,000. Maybe you'll get a small bonus. You bring in clients, you solve problems, you create systems that save them money. But your compensation has nothing to do with the value you create. Often people are paid per hour again. It's determined by what HR decided your role is worth based on some outdated salary survey. Raises are 3 to 5% if you're lucky. That's not even beating inflation. Your money is worth less every year, and they're giving you a 2% raise and expecting you to be grateful. Meanwhile, the big boss, who does way less work than you, is making 3 times, 10 times, 100 times what you make because they're higher up in the hierarchy. It's got nothing to do with value. It's arbitrary. But in business, if you create $500,000 in value, you keep most of it. You're not capped by what some HR person thinks you're worth. You're not paid per hour. You're paid based on the actual results you generate. And that's the difference between being an employee and being a business owner or an investor. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, there is a lie that keeps people trapped for decades in jobs that they hate. Work hard and you will get promoted. Working hard at your job gets you more work, not always more money. You know what happens when you're a high performer at a company? They give you a lot more responsibilities, more projects, more stress. And maybe, if you're really lucky, they'll promote you in 2 or 3 years and give you a 10 to 15% raise. It's not life-changing. Meanwhile, people who started businesses 2 years ago are making 10 times your salary because they took the risk, they bet on themselves. And now, they're living the life you're dreaming about while you're waiting for your annual review report for a promotion that might never come. Hard work in the wrong vehicle just gets you nowhere faster. You can run as fast as you want, but if you're running in the wrong direction, you're just getting further from your actual destination. Stop working hard at a job like you're running on a treadmill. You're exhausted, you're sweating, you're putting in effort, but you're not actually going anywhere. And there's something else that nobody talks about. With a job, you're not learning skills that actually make you wealthy. If you learn sales, that's great. You could actually turn it into a business. But jobs teach you to be a good employee, not a business owner, not a risk taker. You learn to follow instructions, how to show up on time, do what you're told. You learn compliance, not entrepreneurship. And those skills are valuable if your goal is to stay employed forever. But if you're watching this, you don't. And if your goal is freedom, to build wealth, if your goal is to actually build something meaningful, something of your own, something you can be proud of, you're learning the wrong things. The skills that will make you rich, sales, marketing, building systems, raising capital, managing a team, creating offers, you won't necessarily learn those at a job. You are trading your 20s, your 30s, your most capable, energetic years for skills that keep you employed but never free. And by the time you realize this, you're 30, 40, or 50 with a resume full of job titles but no idea how to actually build wealth for yourself. So what's the alternative? Does that mean you should just quit your job tomorrow with no plan? No, I wouldn't suggest that to anyone. But it means you need to wake up to the reality that a job is not the path to wealth, unless you've got some extremely great career in the US. But what about the rest of the world? Use it to pay your bills while you build something of your own on the side. Use it to save money to invest in a business. But don't confuse it with your actual future. Your future is in ownership, in building something that's yours, in creating value that you control and capture. Because the harsh truth is this: you will never get rich working for someone else. You'll be comfortable if you're lucky. You'll survive, but you'll never be free. You'll never have real wealth. You'll never have the life you actually want. And you'll look back at 40 or 50, wondering why you wasted your best years making someone rich instead of betting on yourself. So the choice is yours. You can keep believing the lie that hard work at your job will pay off and make you rich. For 99% of people, not gonna happen. Or you can wake up today and realize that the system is designed to keep you exactly where you are. Comfortable enough not to quit, but broke enough to keep coming back and slaving away. If you want to get my help, so we can help you build a profitable course, coaching, or service business, check out the free resources in the description below.